We are here doing the live video. Sorry, it was quiet for a minute. We were getting an order set up. We brought this pallet in Saturday night, and it's got some pretty good stuff on it. We have Mr. Coffee, authentic espresso cappuccinos and lattes. I know we've had similar things like this before. They go pretty fast. We get people looking for them all the time. So that'll be coming out today. This is cool, guys and gals that are into archery. We got a nice archery target, crossbow compound approved. So works for crossbows and compound bows. Bone Collector brand. These are nice. We typically go through these really fast. I think this is our second one in the shop right now. We have some nice baskets. We're probably going to use a lot of these. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up in a couple weeks. We'll probably put together some Valentine's Day gift baskets. So guys, if you're looking for a good Valentine's Day gift basket with a variety of stuff, you know where to come. This looks like something missing half of its stuff. It's a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, but it's missing almost everything. So hopefully it's in this pallet. We have a nice little piece of fall decor. It's welcome fall. It's got beads around the outside, nice handles. This is a really cool little piece. That's fun. And you just saw Clarissa.
Hi.
Her and Sadie are in the back, packaging from the weekend. We had a really busy weekend. Okay, so these are rainbow sets, regulation weight volleyballs. And we have, each set has 2, 4, 5 volleyballs in it. These are nice. So if you're into volleyball or you have a Airbnb that has volleyball standards or a sand pit, let us know because we've got some really nice sets. Looks like we have at least 3 of them, maybe 4. Every drop water filter. If you guys need water filters for your refrigerators, let us know. We literally have thousands of water filters. We were selling them on eBay, but recently there's been an issue selling water filters. We're trying to figure out what's going on with it. But we literally have thousands, almost every single water filter you can imagine. We could supply the whole town of Heber with water filters. Have a nice little coat hanger. That's really cool. Double robe hook. What's that over there? Safariland. Magazine holster. Oh, these are nice. This is a glass insulated jar. These are very nice. So I prefer drinking water from glass versus plastic. I've actually done a lot with water treatment, water stuff, and plastic is horrible for your health. So anytime you can get a glass water bottle, you are so much better off. We have Pop Rides Crash Bandicoot. Now that is a really cool. I don't think I've ever seen one like that quite, but that's really cool. That'll probably go in our eBay store or maybe on the top shelf out here. What else? Ooh. You know, growing up, we have potpourri in the house all the time. So there's 4 bags of this stuff. It smells pretty good. We have Christmas candles. Ooh, that isn't even a Christmas candle. That's an apple candle. That one's interesting. Some nice candles. These apple ones are nice. And I will tell you, our son Landon, um, if you're wanting the apple candles, he gets off of school at 3 o'clock today, and the second he sees those apple ones, he will buy them. He's yeah, he loves the apple candles in his room. We have an HDMI cord. I don't know what this stuff is. 110. Looks like something print head cleaner. That's cool. We have an arm for a truck. More robe hangers. Those are cool. I like those. I don't know what this is. I can't see and I don't read Chinese, so I'll have to open that up later and see what it is. Performance parts. Some of these parts for cars are so hard because they don't put a lot on them, and so it's really frustrating. A headphone splitter. These are fun. I used to use these when we would travel a lot, so we could listen to the same thing. Silverware bags. We have door locks. Zinc door slide security locks. We got a whole bag of those. So. And here's those volleyballs. These are actually really nice quality. They feel really good. Rainbow Sets official size. Gopher Supra Featherlight Trainer. Huh. It's actually a really nice little thing. E-Tech. This is going to be an office chair. Yep, office chair. We have several of these in right now. Well, no, we have one. We have the Lazy Boy one, and now we have this one, which is really, really nice. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a cord, LED light, lighted post for a fence, for a vinyl fence. That's kind of cool. Let's see here. That's restaurant supplies. What is this? This is a seat cover. That's cool. Ooh, look at these. Nice little cups. Look at that. Glass cups. We have 12 of them in this box. They're nice. Okay. So, probably already know who this is going to go to. We have a guy that anytime we get LOL stuff, he runs in and picks it up from us. And I saw it sitting down there. I saw the LOL, and so I texted him and told him we had some LOL stuff. So he'll probably be in today, but this is really cool. Hold one apple candle. My daughter is going through a candle phase. I can do that, Deanna. So, yeah, this is cool. I don't get the whole LOL thing. I think it's dumb. Oh, wow. Premium white canopy tarp. Heavy duty. This thing is heavy. 12 mil, 12 by 30. This would be good to cover hay or anything else you may need it for. Let's see what else we have here. More potpourri. What is this? Rayovac industrial batteries, AAAs. Big box of AAA batteries. Everyone can always use new batteries, right? We have the rest of the car seat, headrest, and this is okay, more car seat stuff. Nice. Don't know what kind of car this goes to. We'll have to figure that out and see about getting it priced. they're nice car seats. So, all right, we're hopping in. No, most of the stuff's big. Copy and print. Oh, we have a ton of paper. Now we have more. Let's find out what's in this box. It's a roaster. Or maybe. No, they are sinks. Bathroom sinks. Whole box of them. Interesting. Don't think we need that many bathroom sinks, but if you're remodeling and you want matching bathroom sinks, there you go. What are you up to, John? And I can get you a price on that, Deanna.
I'm learning about scopes and reticles and optics, binoculars and sliding scopes and reticles, and gives you a headache really fast.
That's what you guys are doing over there?
Yeah, just a little bit. We're setting up that store, so we're going to be putting in guns, optics, those optics.
That's good. Now I know where to get optics from. Lots of batteries. I need 1, 2, let's see here, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scopes or optics for handguns. We got batteries.
Scopes for handguns?
Well, just red dot sights. Probably 2.
So what are you carrying Vortex?
You guys are carrying Vortex?
Really big brand. So Kevin's the guy that runs the ballistics classes, and he knows people who knows people in there. And they're feeling really good.
That's good. That's really good. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll get you a price, Deanna, and we'll see you guys later.